I have just realized that there are tons and tons and tons of YouTube videos out there and channels that go over great tips and tricks and hacks on how to improve your YouTube existence. But one thing I've realized is a lot of times people tend to get so far into the weeds as far as the details of how you can improve your YouTube videos by this, colorization or this SEO tactic and all this stuff. Yet there's not a lot of videos that I've noticed out there that actually start from ground zero. Well, never fear folks, because in this video I am going to be going over the step one process, ground zero, from the very beginning of creating your YouTube channel all the way through to uploading your very first video on your brand new channel. So if that sounds great to you, then stick around. Let's have some fun. Hi, and for those who don't know me, my name is Greg, and this channel is about helping the small YouTubers out to try their best to succeed on YouTube. Like I've said in the past, I am a small YouTuber myself, and I am trying to grow this channel into something that I feel like will be a help for other folks, as well as I enjoy YouTube. So if all that sounds great to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and riding along with me on this journey, and let's have some fun. So as I said, today's video is about starting YouTube from ground zero. How do you even begin uploading videos to YouTube? Well, first of all, you have to have a YouTube channel. And a lot of times if you're using Gmail, well, you have a YouTube channel already. You probably don't even know it. But let's say, for instance, that you don't have a Gmail account. How can you start getting your videos uploaded to YouTube? Well, let's head over to the computer and I will show you how. So the very first thing, we're going to create a Gmail account. So go ahead and fill out all the information you need to get this started with. First and last name, of course your username, whatever it's going to be. In this case, we're going to do G Sykes test and 1 2 3 4 5. Come up with a decent password. And once you do that, you are well on your way to the next screen. So we're going to hit next. And we are done. Hit agree. And we have our very own Gmail account for our YouTube channel. Next thing, you're going to hit the 4 square button. You're going to go to YouTube. You are going to sign into YouTube. And then once you do that, now you are ready to create your channel. So go click on your G icon here, hit create a channel, get started. You can use your own name for your channel. In this case, we're going to use a custom name. So we're selecting that. Now we're going to go ahead and come up with a custom name. In this case, it's Greg's Tech Review. Click on, you understand that you're giving Google all of your information, hit create. And folks, you have created your YouTube channel. Now certainly you're going to want to customize your channel. You want to upload a picture for your logo icon. I think it has to be like 150 by 150 maybe. I could be wrong on that. You want to fill out your channel description. So this channel is, of course, it's going to be about reviewing brand new tech in our world today. If you have a website address to add to this, this is where you're going to put it at. If you want to link all of your social media sites, you can do that as well. We're going to save and continue. And here is your channel. You're actually ready to upload a video at this point. So you don't have to customize the channel to start uploading a video, but we want to go ahead and do this for tutorial sake, obviously. So basically to do this, you're just going to go up to the Customize Channel button, and we are going to get started with customizing our brand new tech review channel. So once we are in YouTube Studio, we're going to click on Branding, and this will take you to where, like I said before, you can upload a logo. It actually has to be at least 98 by 98 pixels. So I'm just going to pick something real quick. This is probably going to look horrible, but I'm just going to go ahead and pick this icon here. It fits perfectly. I'm going to upload our banner, our channel banner, Greg's Tech Review. Now here's the thing. I don't know right off the bat. I should have looked this up before I did this video. But the channel banner, of course, has to be a certain dimensions to be viewable on TV, desktop, mobile devices. But you want to make sure that your titles of your channel and any icons and all that stuff are within that visible black area that I have on the screen right now. Mine's not, so I'll have to kind of play around with it, but just for the sake of showing you how it's done, we're just throwing something in there, real quick, just to kind of go over the steps of customizing your channel. So here we are. We've got a channel banner. You can't see Greg's, but you do see Tech Review, new videos weekly, our little icon that we had. One thing I forgot to do is to add a video watermark, and all this does is add an icon to every single one of your videos, so that if someone's watching your video and they really like it, they can click on your icon there and actually go ahead and subscribe to your channel. And that's optional. You don't have to have it. Alright, so we're ready to upload a video. We clicked on the upload video button. We're going to go and select our video to upload to our channel. This is our very first video, so how exciting! I'm just going to go to movies, and I'm going to pick the first thing that I find here. This is a video short of mine on this channel. Check it out, it's funny. And we are off to the races. Now we are uploading our video. This is a 16-second video, so longer videos, of course, it's going to take a little bit longer to upload and to encode. As you can see, YouTube is uploading this video right now. It's almost at 50% uploaded. Once it has completely uploaded, then YouTube will start the process of encoding the video. YouTube always starts with encoding the standard definition version of your video. So, so if folks are watching your video at 480 and below, that is considered standard definition. So YouTube will do all of its encoding for that first. And that usually actually doesn't take very long for the standard definition encoding. What takes a little bit longer is the high definition version of encoding. And so it does that once the standard definition is completed. So as you can see, we're just about completed with the standard definition, and then we're going into the processing the high definition. Now you don't have to wait for the encoding to be completed before you start putting in your details. You can start right away. So we're going to start putting in our title here. Just showing you that you can put in hashtags into your title if you wish. You can put them into your description as well. You want to have good titles and a very good description too. This is an SEO sort of thing, as well as a good custom thumbnail. Now, when you upload your very first video to your brand new channel, you're going to have to put in your phone number to verify things. And once you have put in your phone number to verify that this is you uploading videos to your channel, then it's going to give you the option to start uploading custom thumbnails. Otherwise, you're going to have to pick whatever clip that YouTube picks as your thumbnail. Now, playlists can be very important in order to help folks find your videos. So we're just going to create a playlist here real quick. Nothing fancy. We're just going to call it playlist number 1. It's going to be visible to the public. We're going to check mark it so that this video will be added to that playlist. Now, do I have any children as far as an audience who are going to watch this or are going to appear into the video or appear in the video? Of course, the answer is no. If so, it'd be yes. Is there any age restrictions on this video? Nothing bad, so I'm going to hit no. Otherwise, it'd be yes. Pay promotions. Am I promoting any products? Is there any product placement? Is there any sponsorships or endorsements I'm doing? If so, I would have to check mark. Tags. Now, tags, again, are part of search engine optimization. You've got to have tags in your videos if you're going to have any chance of your videos being found through searches. So depending on what your video is about, you want to be able to have your tags to reflect that. It's very important. Actually, it's very good practice when you have when you have a good title to put that as your first tag. Next, closed captioning. This is always good for those who want to be able to watch your videos who are hearing impaired and they watch everything with closed captioning on. You want to make sure that you have that option set for them. This option I usually kind of skip. I never really put in location or recording date. All right, so this is important as well, the license and distribution. Most of the time, you're always going to want to have it as standard YouTube license. And that is so that you're kind of protected by YouTube so that no one else will be able to go in and kind of swipe your content and use it as their own. You're going to want to be able to use, or you're going to want to be able to have your videos under this license. Now, if you do want people to use your video clips or any parts of your videos, you're going to choose the Creative Commons attribution license. Now, that will give folks the ability or the legal ability to be able to use any of your videos. So just make sure you pay attention to what license that you're going to put your YouTube videos under. In this case, you usually just want to always have it under standard. What category are you going to have or your videos are going to be under? Are they going to be music videos? Are they going to be blogs, comedy, entertainment? Is it going to be how-to videos, religious videos? So maybe it would fall under nonprofits, or if it's a techie thing, it may be science and technology. So most of the time, you're probably either going to do a how-to video or just straight up technology. You're just going to pretend like this is going to be a technical video, even though it's a video about country folks saying crazy stuff. Comments, most of the time you're going to want to have comments allowed on your videos because interaction with your viewers and all that's going to really help your videos, and I'll get into that a little bit later in more detail, but you do have some options. The default is YouTube is going to try to hold any inappropriate comments so they will not be seen. You can allow all comments, so you can be no holds barred, or you can disable content or comments. The next thing here, now, since we uploaded a 16-second video, it's not long enough to be able to add an end screen, and I will actually do a video just on the importance of adding an end screen to your videos and why you should, but for right now it's not extremely important to just get through the basics of adding or uploading a video to YouTube. But the long and short of it is that add your videos. So just make sure you pay attention to what license that you're going to put your YouTube videos under. In this case, you usually just want to always have it under standard. What category are you going to have? You should always add, but for right now we're going to kind of skip it. We'll also skip adding cards. Cards are basically the little links at the top of your video that you can add to other videos in your channel, but we're going to skip that for right now. And this is the final part, the visibility. This is where you're going to hit save and where you're going to either post your video as a private video that only you can watch, or an unlisted video if you want to just control who gets to watch this video. If you want to just send them the link, you can. Most of the time, I'm sure you're going to want to upload videos that are public videos. And, because obviously you want to be able to get people to watch your videos, right? So you're going to hit public. You can do set as an instant premiere. So it's kind of like whenever that you go to watch videos that are set as premiere, you're going to get the countdown before the video starts. Or you can schedule it. So let's say that Thursdays are going to be the days that your videos premiere every week. So you can actually schedule this video for Thursday, and it will be available to folks on Thursday. And honestly, after you've done all that, you hit save. And once it's done processing, you are ready and your video is live for people to view. So congratulations, you have just created your first YouTube channel and as well as your first video. So that is the process, ladies and gentlemen. It's very simple. I mean, I started that channel up in just a matter of, honestly, 5 minutes or so. Now, you don't have to go through and, set up all of your branding banners and logos and all that. Like I said, before you even upload a video, you can go ahead and start uploading videos as soon as that channel is created. But in time, you do want to try to work on creating some great branding, because obviously if this is something that's going to be your business, it's going to be promoting a product or a service that you really want to get out to folks, then you want to make sure that your channel is well branded. And even if it's a nonprofit thing, you still want to be able to attract folks to your channel because you want to provide them a certain message. And so, providing that message isn't just with the message that you provide to them through your YouTube videos. It's also the message you put into how well does your channel look. And so that can a lot of times be, in my opinion, can be as important as the content itself that you're uploading. So just keep that in mind. In future videos, I'm going to go over how to actually create a proper YouTube banner, as well as creating your logos and all of that to get you started. So you will be well on your way to YouTube success. Until then, folks, let's hop on to the next video and keep going with this fun.